In these problems, we're doing some more work with finding indefinite integrals, and we've got one new rule that are going to be introduced in these problems, and that is the rule for 1 over x. So the integral of 1 over x is the natural log of the absolute value of x, and of course, plus big C. Anytime you take an indefinite integral, you're going to slap on that plus big C. So if we look at this first problem, we've got t to the fifth over 7. Well, that's just 1/7 t to the fifth. For that part, we're just going to apply our power rule in reverse. So we're going to raise the power to t to the sixth, and then we're going to multiply this 1/7 by the reciprocal of the power we raised it to. And then for this part, plus 2 over t, that over t, that's like the 1 over x. So that part's going to give us ln of the absolute value of t, natural log of the absolute value of t, and this constant just stays there along with it. So we just have a little bit of multiplication to do here. So this is 1/42 t to the sixth plus 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of t. Let's try one more. So we got a similar problem here. First part, we have 7 over t. So 7 is our constant. You can think of this as 7 times 1 over t. And I forgot the big C. Whoops. And 7 times 1 over t, well, the antiderivative of 1 over t is the natural log of the absolute value of t. And we have our constant out front. Here we have negative 6/7 t. So negative 6/7, oops, let's put it up here. Negative 6/7 t. So t is to the first power. We're going to raise this by 1. That's going to be 2. So t to the second power. And then we multiply this by the reciprocal, 1/2. So we get 6 over 14, or negative 3/7 t squared. And then we've got our plus 7 here. We're going to raise the power by 1. And you can think of this power as being x to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So 7 times x to the 0 power is 7. And then we raise that power by 1. Actually, t, not x. We raise that power by 1. When we multiply by the reciprocal 1, it doesn't change anything because it's still 1 over 1. So we get 7t plus our constant, big C. So that's a little bit of work with indefinite integrals, including forms of 1 over x.